Buyers, are you looking for some house hacks? Let us face it, we all can agree the housing market has been very volatile over the last couple of years. In fact, oftentimes I hear buyers say they feel like they are on a long roller coaster ride. Hi, I am Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and the realtor in the Bay Area. It is no wonder why many buyers feel they are on the ups and downs when trying to purchase a home. With low inventory, fluctuating mortgage rates, and competition, it makes for a tough market for some buyers, especially first-time home buyers. A trend we are starting to see in certain regions is house hacking. So, what is house hacking? House hacking is finding creative ways to make a home purchase affordable. Let us explore some hacking options. How about buying a home with family or your best friends? This co-buying trend allows buyers to pool their resources and finances together with people they love to come up with a larger down payment and closing cost. Or perhaps advertise a room for rent to help with house cost. But if having a long-term roommate is too big of a commitment for you, consider just renting out one room in the house as a short-term rental, maybe to a college student or a traveling nurse. This way, they can help with the mortgage expense but are not vested in the property long term. Another hack to consider is renting out parking or storage space or even your pool. As a homeowner, you might have more to rent than just rooms. Take a look around the property you are interested in to see what you can benefit from. Or you can even find a property that has a separate rental unit or ADU to maintain your privacy but to make some extra income too. Bottom line is always best to work with an experienced realtor who can show you the different strategies to help to make your dream a reality. Reach out to my team and me so we can help to strategize your next move. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker and the realtor in the Bay Area, serving buyers and sellers with the tradition of excellence and integrity. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.